Remember those old sci-fi movies? You know, the ones with robots talking like us? Well, the future is here, and it involves searching the internet. Introducing SearchGPT, the search engine that's more like a chatty robot than a boring old search bar. It's changing how we find information online, and it's about time. Remember the days of typing in clunky keywords? Yeah, those days are about to be as outdated as dial-up internet. SearchGPT is here to make searching the web faster, easier, and dare we say, more fun? Get ready for a wild ride, because searching the internet is about to get a whole lot more interesting. The coolest thing about SearchGPT? It's not just another search engine. It's like having a conversation with your computer, but in a good way. Imagine chatting with a friend who knows everything. Instead of just typing in words, you can actually talk to SearchGPT like you would a real person. It's intuitive and feels natural. Want to know the weather? Just ask. No need to type out a full sentence or phrase. Need to find a recipe for banana bread? SearchGPT's got you covered. It can even suggest variations based on your preferences. It's changing the way we interact with technology. Traditional search engines are like those grumpy people who shush you if you ask a question. They can be so frustrating. SearchGPT is more like that friendly librarian who helps you find the perfect book. It's approachable and always ready to assist. It's a new world of searching, and we're just getting started. So embrace the power of conversation. It's more efficient and much more enjoyable. Your brain and your fingers will thank you for it. Say goodbye to the old ways and hello to a smarter, friendlier search experience.
You know how sometimes you search for something and get stuck with information that's older than your grandma's fruitcake recipe? Yeah, not fun. It's frustrating, right? You spend all that time looking for the latest updates only to find out that the information is completely outdated. It's like trying to navigate with a map from the 1800s. With SearchGPT, it's all about delivering real-time information. Imagine having a search engine that understands the importance of up-to-the-minute data. No more sifting through pages of irrelevant results. That means you're getting the most up-to-date news, facts, and figures. But wait, there's more. Not only do you get the latest updates, but you also get them in a format that's easy to digest. SearchGPT has got you covered. It's like having a team of assistants at your fingertips. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that every piece of information you get is verified and accurate. No more outdated information, folks. Say goodbye to the days of second-guessing your search results. And with SearchGPT, you'll be the first to know what's going on in the world, and you'll know it's legit. Stay ahead of the curve and always be in the know with the most reliable and current information available.
Let's be real. Nobody knows you better than you. Your preferences, your habits, your quirks, these are things that make you, well, you. That's why SearchGPT is all about personalization. It's designed to understand you better with every search you make. It learns what you like and tailors your search results to your unique tastes. Imagine having a search engine that evolves with you. So if you're a die-hard fan of a certain sports team, guess what? Your search results will reflect that passion. SearchGPT will prioritize news and updates about them. You'll never miss a game or an important update again. It's like having a personal assistant who knows exactly what you're interested in. Imagine the convenience of having someone who gets you. No more wading through irrelevant search results. SearchGPT gets you to the good stuff faster. It's like having a shortcut to the information you actually care about. So sit back, relax, and let SearchGPT do the heavy lifting. Enjoy the ease of finding exactly what you need without the hassle. It's like having a mind-reading search engine. Embrace the future of search with SearchGPT.
Attention! All bloggers, YouTubers, and anyone creating content online. SearchGPT is about to shake things up. Because SearchGPT values high-quality, engaging content, creators need to step up their game. Gone are the days of stuffing your content with keywords like a Thanksgiving turkey. SearchGPT is all about delivering valuable and entertaining information to its users. So if you want to get noticed, you better bring your A game. Think of it as a challenge, folks. It's time to unleash your creativity and produce content that's informative, engaging, and maybe even a little bit funny. Your audience will thank you for it.
The future of finding stuff online. The world of search is changing faster than ever before. With its conversational search, real-time information, and personalized results, SearchGPT is making it easier and more fun to find what you need online. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative and mind-blowing search tools in the future. Buckle up, because the future of search is going to be one wild ride. Who knows what amazing inventions await us? One thing's for sure, with SearchGPT leading the way, the future of online search is looking bright.
The brainy sidekick your brain needs. In a world overflowing with information, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. That's where SearchGPT comes in, like a trusty sidekick guiding you through the vast expanse of the internet. It's like having a brainy best friend who always knows the answer, no matter how obscure the question. So embrace the future of search and say hello to SearchGPT. Your brain will thank you for it. Happy searching!